my name is Allie Stahl, and this is my video reflection for the portfolio project. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the workplace capabilities and how they relate to my future career, which is nursing. So the first one that we had to do was enthusiasm, which is highly valued in nursing because it's not a career that you want to go into if it's not something that you actually want to do. It's something you need to be enthusiastic about. It's something you have to want to learn about and continually grow in. So if you're not enthusiastic about patient care, then it's not exactly the career that someone would want to go into. The second workplace capability that I want to talk about is attitude. Attitude is also highly valued, and it kind of goes along with enthusiasm because when you come into work daily, you got to try and have as positive of an attitude as you can because you're taking care of patients and it's a hard time in their life and they really need you. So to have someone come in and you're negative and you don't want to be there and you're upset about whatever else is going on in your life, or you're upset that you even have to come to work, it's not exactly how you want to feel when you come into a place like that. Your patients can feel it and your coworkers can feel the negativity, and it just creates a bad environment for everybody. The third workplace capability that I want to talk about is problem solving. So that's probably the most important workplace capability in nursing, obviously, for decision making, being able to prioritize, which I talked about in my portfolio project paper, just knowing how to help the patients in a timely manner, knowing your stuff, and all of that comes into play, obviously, from what I learned in nursing school. So that's it for workplace capabilities. The next thing I want to talk about is just the institutional outcomes. So the first one is information literacy and communication, which is basically what we researched and then communicated in our findings. So, or in our paper, basically. So that was obviously met. And then the second one would be relational learning, and that's basically how we related our career to what we have learned, which is also met through our paper because we go through and we find different articles and we relate that to our career, which was basically our entire paper. And then the third one that I liked for the institutional outcomes was thinking abilities, and that's basically reflecting on what we have learned and how we can improve, which is what we're doing right now through this video. And then the fourth one is community and career, which is also what our entire paper was about. And that's just learning and applying what we've learned and applying all of that to our future. So that was the entire paper, finding articles and using our critical thinking skills that we've learned throughout the course and then applying that to our paper and how it can be used for me in nursing and my career in healthcare. So that's basically it for the institutional outcomes. That would be it for my portfolio project. Just to reflect, I hope that I did well. I really liked how I did on the paper. I think that you'll enjoy reading it. So thank you.